guys. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I did anything. I've been really busy working on customers' cars, trying to get the community going again, and haven't really done much to mine. So today I thought I'd take some time to like do a little preventive maintenance that I've been meaning to do with this car, which is first I need to clean the fuel pump housing, the high pressure fuel pump. I need to clean everything out because it's just sitting and I don't know what's built up in there. Usually when I fire a car up, it just feels like a little hesitation. So I'm going to take it apart and clean the high pressure fuel pump. I sent a few parts out to get a hydro dip, so I can't really do much, drive the car. So in the meantime, I thought it's best to just do everything else that I've been meaning to do, like any small things that I've been meaning to do, such as just like cleaning up a little bit in the engine bay. The intercooler piping, yeah, I took it out, and that one is getting a hydro dip by my main guy, Preston Smith. He's local. He does all my hydro dipping work for me. As you can see, he did all the purple. It's been like, I think almost 3 years now since he did the purple for me, and it's been great. It's been holding, doesn't peel, nothing, no issues with it at all, except for my mistakes. As you can see, those right there, those are all my mistakes, and that's from taking the engine apart, taking it out multiple times. Eventually you're gonna scratch something, but this is all my fault. But other than that, his work is superb. The valve cover is still mint. It's just dirty right now. And the intake pipe is also like still mint at the same time. So I'm having him redo the intercooler pipe, the top piping. I've never done it, so I sent it out to him, so he's working on that. And I'm also doing the fuel reel at the same time. And while I'm here, I decided to do a few more cleaning while I'm here as well too, just to clean up the look of the engine bay, since I've been neglecting that. It's been like an afterthought for me. I'm not really a fan of like just looks when it comes to like engine bay. I just want the performance, so I don't really care much about it. But now, since I have a lot more time to do anything on it, might as well just clean it up a little bit, just make it look a little decent, you know, for like a photo shoot or something like that. So, but today what I'm trying to do is take the high pressure fuel pump off and clean it up, because I don't know if it's just gunked up from just sitting, since I hardly drive the car. So I might as well just clean everything up, make sure everything is superb. That way when I start it up, it won't give me any issue. And I haven't cleaned the pump in a while, so I think that's the best time. Now's the best time to clean it up. I've already taken apart the spill valve and cleaned the spill valve, so that one is good. So now I just need to pull the pump off and see what the inside of the piston look like. Already went ahead and taken the fuel pump housing bolts off. I just already got them loosed. So now, just got to get this one out of the way. And the main. I'm gonna finish taking these bolts off. There we go. Okay. And, yeah. Okay. There it is. Oop. So yeah, I'm break it free real quick. The best way to clean them, some Q-tip will help, and a little brake cleaner. That'll be the best way to like get some of them out. If you have like some gunk in there, this will help you reach some of the tight spots in there. Just go about and just clean it as much as you can. what I was mentioning, just make sure before you put it back, you lubricate the piston itself a little bit. That way you can slide it into it. Same with the collar as well. This small dab of oil. Just lubricate it with oil just a little bit. Don't go too crazy with the oil. You do not want oil mixed with your fuel. So just a little bit of oil. Don't go too crazy with it, because the idea is just to allow the piston to slide back and forth while it's inside the collar and inside the housing. Because inside the housing there are 2 O-rings in there, and if there's friction, it'll rip the O-ring out. Like right now, you can feel like a small bit of a friction because the 2 O-rings are probably dried up from the brake cleaner. So once you lubricate them, just gently slide it back in there and twist as you pull right in, and don't just force it right in. You can easily rip them out. So just a little twist will bring it out, and then once it's in there, you can have it'll slide right in there. But anyways, there we go. Push it right out. Put the spring on top. And before you put it right in there, just put it right in the housing back again. And don't torque it down just yet. So just screw it right onto the housing. Do not want to torque this down. So right there, and then followed by the collar. And the easiest way to do that, just make sure the piston is all the way out. Put the top on, and now the keepers. And put the keepers one at a time. Slide them right in. Do the same on the other side. Make sure both keepers are on. So right there, both keepers are on. Slide the lock pin in place and then push it down. There you go. And the final step, grab your impact. Just give it a little couple ugga-duggers, and you're good. All right, now I just need to put the top piping on, and the fuel rail. I've already went ahead and cleaned up a little bit, and I still have a little more work to do around this side. So let me just put the piping and the fuel rail, and we'll see you in a bit. Now as you can see, everything is nice and neat on there. The hydro dip came out pretty good. Did like the carbon, the black carbon, along with the fuel rail as well too, and I left the purple carbon on the intake and valve cover and the air intake. I might redo them later on this year, but other than that, I'm sticking with my purple. It really pops in the light. Right now I'm just using artificial light, but in the sun, it pops really well, and I like it.